What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix or how to check RAM DDR type in your Windows 11, whether it is DDR3, R4 or R5, and how we can check it. So let me directly get into the step. First one is all about, just go over here on a Google Chrome. We need to get into the Google Chrome, and now from here we need to search for CPU-Z. Just search for CPU-Z. So you'll be getting this, just get into this. Now from here, this is actually a software where we can download this, and now from here on the bottom left we have setup English. Just click on this particular one over here. We just need to click on this one, so it will be downloaded. So just click on the download now, so it will be downloaded over here. So in my case it's already successfully installed, so I'm going to install it once again. Just go over here, so right double click on this one and go for yes. So right now over here just set into I accept the agreement and go for next, and go for install. So it will be installed and go for finish. Once it's successfully done, all we have to just close everything over here. Now we need to just go over here, or you can search for CPU over here like this. Get into the CPU, now go for yes, and right now we need to wait for a little bit of time. So what happens is it will be completely loaded up. Now from here there is an option called memory. Get into this, and right now from here type DDR4, which means the RAM of my computer which I'm using right now is DDR4, which means I found out what is the RAM of my computer. This is how we can find it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye bye.